Flowers versus Flowers, please.
Could each of you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
All right. You are the petitioner. Go ahead and state your name, ma'am.
Amy Annabelle Flowers.
The petitioner appears in person, pro se. You are the petitioner, having filed your petition for dissolution on or about February 15th of this year. At that time, were you a continuous and bona fide resident of Johnson County, Indiana, for at least 6 months?
Yes.
Okay. And there were 2 children born of the marriage, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, can you please state your name?
Troy Philip Flowers.
Respondent appears in person, pro se,
Pro se?
without an attorney.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, can I have a summary of what you are requesting?
Yeah, okay. I want to keep the apartment. I will keep paying rent and to keep my car. And I want custody of my kids. Plus, we have some credit card debt that I don't want to pay all of myself.
Well, I don't think I should have to pay all that credit
Sir,
card.
this hearing is just to determine the status of the case. We will come to determining distribution of property and debt at a later time.
Okay.
Have you agreed on how much parenting time your husband should have with children?
Not that much. I'm their mother, so I feel like I should see them most of the time. Besides, he doesn't really have much time to see them anyway because he works so much. Since we've been separated, he's only seen them like twice a week.
What? Amy, that's completely unfair. They're my kids too. I think we should just share custody so I get to see them. And I've been around at least 3 times a week. Last week, I got those kids off the bus every single day.
You don't deserve more time than I'm required to give.
Hold on. So you do not agree on parenting time? And do you both understand that the party who does not have custody will likely be responsible for child support?
I didn't know that. How much is that usually?
Well, you'll need to fill out the Indiana Child Support Obligation Worksheet to find out. The amount of child support you pay is calculated based on both your incomes and some other factors. So I can't tell you exactly how much it will be right now. Have either of you filled out the worksheet?
I did, but I'm not sure if the number I got is right.
Okay. Ma'am, based on your income and expenses, how much child support are you requesting?
$150 a week.
And sir, based on your income and expenses, how much child support do you think is fair?
I don't know. I guess $100 a week, but I don't want to pay her if she won't let me see my kids.
Well, we will decide the exact amount of child support at a later time. I can't tell you who is paying and how much until we decide the custody issue. Who are the children residing with now?
They're with me.
Ma'am, I'm giving you temporary custody of the children as well as temporary possession of the marital residence. Is that okay with you?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Is there any reason your husband should not see the children?
Well, no, I guess not.
Sir, I'm giving you temporary parenting time based on the Indiana Parenting Time Guidelines. You can find a copy of these online. Do you have access to the internet?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And how do you prefer to coordinate parenting time with each other? Email, phone?
I guess email?
Sir, do you agree with using email?
Yeah, that works.
Please state your email addresses.
tflowers@gmail.com.
aaflowers@gmail.com.
Great. I expect you both to adhere to these temporary orders until we resolve this in a later hearing. Okay then. Start looking for a final hearing date. I'll consider what I've heard and issue some temporary orders in the meantime.